Looking for a simple way to boost your hair's health and shine? Avocado oil might just be the answer you've been searching for. Stick around because today, I'm going to show you how this natural ingredient can transform your hair and make it look and feel amazing. Whether you're dealing with dry, frizzy hair or just looking for a natural way to boost your hair's health, avocado oil might just be the miracle your hair's been waiting for. So, why avocado oil? What makes it so special? First off, avocado oil is loaded with vitamins and nutrients, like vitamin E, vitamin A, and healthy fats, that your hair loves. These nutrients work together to nourish, hydrate, and protect your hair from root to tip. Plus, it's naturally light, so it won't weigh your hair down like other oils. Let's break down the cool things avocado oil can do for your hair. It helps with deep moisture and hydration. If your hair's dry or brittle, avocado oil is a game changer. It penetrates deep into your hair shaft to lock in moisture, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and healthy. Think of it as a drink of water for your hair. It boosts shine and softness. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless hair. The fatty acids in avocado oil smooth the hair cuticle, which means your hair will catch the light better, giving it that gorgeous, healthy shine. Plus, it makes your hair super soft to the touch. It strengthens hair and prevents breakage. Avocado oil is packed with proteins and antioxidants that help strengthen your hair from the inside out. This means less breakage, fewer split ends, and stronger hair overall. Who doesn't want that? Healthy scalp equals healthy hair. A healthy scalp is the foundation for great hair, and avocado oil does wonders for soothing dry, flaky scalps. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce irritation, while the moisture keeps your scalp balanced and nourished. It acts as natural UV protection. That's right. Avocado oil has natural antioxidants that protect your hair from harmful UV rays. So, it's not just a winter fix. It's something your hair can benefit from year-round. Okay, so now you know why avocado oil is amazing, but how do you use it? Let me show you a few ways to work this wonder oil into your hair care routine. If your hair's feeling extra dry or damaged, treat it to an avocado oil deep conditioning mask. Just apply a generous amount of avocado oil from root to tip. Wrap your hair in a warm towel and leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour. Rinse it out, and your hair will feel so soft and hydrated. For dry or irritated scalps, massage a few drops of avocado oil directly into your scalp. Not only will it help with dandruff and dryness, but it'll also stimulate blood flow, which promotes healthy hair growth. If you want to add some shine and tame frizz, just apply a tiny amount of avocado oil to the ends of your hair. A little goes a long way, and this can keep your hair looking smooth and sleek all day. Want to create the ultimate hair care cocktail? Mix avocado oil with other oils like coconut oil or argan oil for an extra boost of hydration and shine. You can even add a few drops of essential oils for a nice scent. Before I finish up, here are some quick tips to keep in mind. Use sparingly. Avocado oil is super nourishing, so you really don't need a lot. If you have fine hair, start with just a few drops and see how it feels. Be consistent. Like with any hair treatment, consistency is key. Try adding avocado oil into your routine a couple of times a week to see the best results. For all hair types, whether you have curly, straight, or wavy hair, avocado oil works for everyone. It's versatile and can adapt to your specific needs. So, there you have it. Avocado oil is more than just a food trend. It's a powerhouse for your hair. From deep hydration to promoting a healthy scalp, it's a natural, easy way to give your hair the care it deserves. If you're looking for a simple, affordable way to boost your hair care routine, avocado oil should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hair care tips. Have you ever tried avocado oil on your hair? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experience.